On the 4th of March, Nothing will launch two smartphones named the Nothing Phone 3A and Nothing Phone 3A Pro. As the name suggests, the Nothing Phone 3A is the successor to the Nothing Phone 2A of last year, which was a pretty successful launch by the brand. The Phone 3A Pro marks the beginning of a new Pro series, which is quite interesting because last year we got the Nothing Phone 2A Plus, but there is no information on whether there will be a Nothing Phone 3A Plus. Anyways, Nothing has given us the official first look at the design of the Phone 3A Pro, and some specifications have also been revealed by the brand. But now the official trailers of both the phones have leaked online and they reveal the design and the key specifications of both the devices. So in this video, let us talk about everything that we know about the Phone 3A series. Starting off with the Nothing Phone 3A, as we can see, the Phone 3A looks slightly different from the back than the Phone 2A. The cameras are still placed horizontally, but there are now 3 cameras on the back instead of 2. The back has a transparent design, but it is also slightly different than last year. Now if you notice, the phone has an extra button on the right side, and the official trailer shows that this button can be used to trigger some AI tasks. It is not yet known whether this button will be remappable, but we hope that it is. Finally, on the front, the phone has a flat display with a hole punch cutout and symmetrical bezels. The Nothing Phone 3A will launch in at least 3 colors: black, white and blue. Speaking of the specifications that are confirmed from this official trailer, the Nothing Phone 3A has the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset and a large 6.77-inch 120Hz AMOLED display with a 3000 nits of peak brightness. The triple camera setup on the back includes a primary 50-megapixel sensor with OIS, an 8-megapixel sensor for the ultrawide camera, and a 2x telephoto lens with a 50-megapixel sensor. For comparison, the Nothing Phone 2A had a 50-megapixel primary camera and a 50-megapixel ultrawide. So while the ultrawide camera is downgraded, we are getting a new 2x telephoto camera. Now there is no mention of the OIS support for the telephoto camera, so most likely the telephoto camera lacks OIS. The selfie camera has a 32-megapixel sensor. And finally, the phone runs on Android 15 based Nothing OS 3. Coming to the Nothing Phone 3A Pro, the biggest difference between the two phones is on the back. The Phone 3A Pro has a circular camera module with 3 cameras, and the arrangement of these cameras is quite unique. And that is because the phone has a periscope lens, which also makes it the first smartphone from Nothing with a periscope lens. And that is the only difference between the two phones in terms of the design. As for the specifications, the cameras are the differentiating factor between the two phones. The Phone 3A Pro has the same 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS and an 8-megapixel ultrawide as the Phone 3A. But there is a third 50-megapixel Sony sensor with a periscope lens and OIS. This one offers a 3x optical zoom and can also take macro photos. Finally, the Phone 3A Pro also has a 50-megapixel sensor for the selfie camera. Apart from the cameras, the specifications are basically the same. The Phone 3A Pro has a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 SoC and a 6.77-inch 120Hz AMOLED display with a 3000 nits of peak brightness. As per previous leaks, both the phones have the same battery as well at 5000 mAh. And well, that is all about the two phones. As for the pricing, it is rumored that the Nothing Phone 3A will launch in India at a starting price of around or under 25,000 rupees, while the Phone 3A Pro will be priced a little higher but still under 30,000 rupees. So, what do you think of the design and the specifications? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.